Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to delete contacts from Gmail account. So this is a very simple process guys. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me go on my Gmail account. So guys, here I am on my Gmail account, and you have to first log in with your account and open the Gmail. Or now you have to click on this option and go to the contacts. So new tab will be open with the same email id. Now here you can see your all contacts from Gmail. You can search by name here, or there may be labels you have. If you create any labels or groups, you will see like groups and labels here. So all contacts will be show in contacts only. So I have 18 contacts here. So if you want to delete something or some contacts, you can select like this. If you want to select multiple contacts, and simply you can delete from here. Okay, so if you want to delete individually, you can delete from here also. You can delete. Okay, so if I delete this contact, so it will be delete, but it will be not permanently deleted. If you want to delete permanently, so you have to go in trash, because when you delete anything from contacts, it will be moved to the trash, and it will be here for 30 days. After 30 days it will be delete forever automatically. But if you want to delete now, just click select or contacts, or just click on empty trash. Then all files contacts from trash will be deleted automatically. So it is delete, so it can't be undo. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.